This fogger is renowned for its professional-grade durability, having been designed, engineered, and assembled in the United States for exceptional reliability. It is equipped with 3 high-precision chemical-resistant nozzles that work together to provide a substantial output capacity for large jobs. A powerful blower ensures superior droplet projection, allowing the fine mist to cover expansive areas more effectively and efficiently than many other models. The unit's ability to produce an adjustable ultra-low volume mist, with particle sizes ranging from 10 to 50 microns, is ideal for comprehensive sanitization and pest control. Despite its robust build, the machine is surprisingly portable at just over 10 pounds and features a comfortable grip handle and a 1-gallon tank for ease of use during operation. Its versatility is unmatched, capably dispensing both oil-based and water-based solutions across a vast array of commercial and residential environments.